Hello student, welcome in digital electronics practicals. In digital electronics practical, we are having the 10 experiment, and out of 10, minimum 8 practical should perform. So if you observe the list, starting with the IC study of IC 74LS 153 as a multiplexer, design and implement 8:1 mux, verified truth table. Then next is your demultiplexer. Third one is your 3-bit code converter. Then next one is your fourth number is magnitude comparator. Design and implement 4-bit magnitude comparator. So we'll start the practical with the comparator first, because it is very we can say that the simplest practical in the digital electronics. Like these are the number of lists. Okay, so starting with practical, before that we are introducing the few parts or few components of the digital electronics. This is one is called as breadboard. Okay, this one is called as breadboard. Okay, here from this point A, B, C, D vertically short connection is from here to here is shorted. Internally this one is shorted. Then second column from this one is again up to this one. Okay, and in between these two both are isolated. Like these are all are isolated from each one. This one is isolated from next one, like this one. Again from this point to this point it is connected. Okay, from this point to this point is connected like this one. Okay, from here to here again disconnect. From here to here again it disconnect. From this point to 1 2 3 5 5 1 2 3 4 5, and each having the 5 volts, so near about 25 5 5 5 5 5 25 up to this one is connection. From this point to this one is connected. 1 2 3 4 5 up to this one is connected. Again from this one to here is disconnect, and from here to last one is connected. This row is again isolated from this row. Okay, this one is connected 1 2 3 4 5 up to this one. Okay, and again it is disconnect, and it will be continue up to this line. Okay, same way for the opposite. Okay, again I repeat, vertically from A, B, C, D, E. Okay, is connected. Again it is break, then F, G, H, I, J is connected. Okay, and here is disconnect again. Okay, all are disconnected. This one is your breadboard. Okay, at the time of making the connection. Okay, so upper one you can use for the positive, and bottom one you can utilize for the ground, right? Then we'll see these are the wires. It's called as flexible wire. Okay, for making the connection we are using this such type of wires. Okay, single conductor is exist. Okay, so we have to insert the wires like this one in the breadboard. Okay, understood? Okay, then these are the again one side, these are the again wires. Okay, but here is pins are connected. Okay, this one you can utilize for the another side we are connected to the LED bands. Okay, see now this one you can call as LED band. LED band. Okay, here is connected to ground, and here you can apply the supply. Okay, so actually in digital electronics practicals, outputs of the respect all practicals, hardware based practicals, we are monitoring by observing the LED's position. If LED will be glow, then you can say that it is 1. If LED is off, then you can say that it is 0. Okay, and we have to connect it here. Okay, these pins of these wires pins we can connect it like this one, like this one, like this one. Okay, here we are connected. Okay, then see this one you can call as cutter, stripper also we can call as cut. From this one is wire you can cut. Okay, I will show you one demonstration. These are the wire bundles, right? So these are the bundles of wires. This one is wire. Okay, so here you can this like this one you consider, then like this one it will be cut. Okay, cutter, stripper, like this one you can insert, and you can remove this one. Okay, so while we extract like this one, you can utilize this stripper. Okay, why? Then we require the power supply. Okay, so see, this is your power supply. This power supply of the 5 volt. 5 volt. Here is the, observe, you can 5 volt power supply. Okay, I will show you the power supply 5 volt specification. Okay, and we required the setup. Okay, as well as we require the such type of files, and then we start the performing the practical. Okay, thank you. Very soon we start the, in next session we start with the practicals. Okay, thank you.